we have here's an organizer that you could use for work, business, pleasure, personal stuff, whatever your heart desires. Comes wrapped up. And what we're going to do is take these labels off and we can put them in the tabs of the unit. It has a nice strap that will wrap around the unit and lock into place over here. And it opens up beautifully to, you know, look at that. Put everything into place. That is large indeed. Now, it's color organized. That is neat. So if I want to put my dates, my months, the people, the business, my clients, and so forth, I can do so. It is made of very sturdy plastic indeed, and will do a nice job. When this is filled with paper, it's going to expand, as you can see, but it's not going to close 100% all the way. But you're not going to fill it this far. You're going to fill it with a few pieces of paper indeed. So let's do one of these for you and just stretch it out as far as we can go. And there you go. Now, it does stay open nicely. I can close it up, and I just simply wrap it up, and I could close this up the way I want. Let's put some paper in it and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's about 9 by 12. It fits a nice job, and I have to just, look a little bit above the tabs to see my clients and so forth, so you get an idea of what this looks like. I want to take a yellow. I want to go and find my client over here in a color. I'm going to take the green one. I'm going to slide this in between the green tabs. So I have my names there written down. I get enough to do everything indeed, and if I'm going out and about and I want some other names, I have it here. I have over here index cards that can simply come out, and they're just one side with names, and they simply slide back in. I'm all set up. This is expandable, stretchable. This does not move, it's just like so. Great portfolio, great organizer that you could carry anywhere you want. I hope this is the product that you're looking for. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.